Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today we are going to talk about phonetics, in a specific vocal tract. Do you think I know that you are asking, what is vocal tract? Well, vocal tract. This is where the voice is produced and consists of the oscillator voices, the larynx vocal folds about that is the resonator, which include the false vocal cords over the throat and hard and soft palate, and the articulators, which include the tongue, lip, and the teeth. Also, we are going to talk about major organs of speech and role in articulation. The major vocal organs are rhizomes, lessomes, larynx, pharynx, tracheus, nasal cavity, and oral cavity. On the lungs, the airflow is by far the most vital requirements for producing speech sounds, since all the speech sounds are made with sounds movement of air. The lungs provide the energy source for the airflow. The lungs are the spongy respiratory organs situated inside the rib cage. They expand and contract as we breathe in and out air. The amount of air accumulated inside our lungs control the issues. Another part of vocal organs is the larynx. The larynx is known as the voice box. It is a box like a small structure situated in the front of the throat where there is a protuberance. For this reason, the larynx is popularly called the Adam's apple. This casing is formed of cartilage and muscles. It protects as well as houses the trachea, also known as windpipe. The vocal folds I like a pair of the lips. Placed horizontally from front to back, they are joined in the front but can be separated at the back. The openings between them is called the glottis. The glottis is considered to be in open state when the folds are apart and when the folds are pressed. The vocal folds I like a pair of the lips. Placed horizontally from front to back, they are joined in the front but can be separated at the back. The openings between them is called the glottis. The glottis is considered to be in open state when the folds are apart and when the folds are pressed. The articulators. Articulators transform the sounds into intangible speech. They can be either active or passive. They include the pharynx, the teeth, the alveolar ridge behind them, the hard palate, the software volume behind it, and the lip, the tongue, and the nose, and its cavity. Traditionally, the articulators are studied with the head of the slice human head, figure like a following. The pharynx lies between the mouth and the food passage. This is show about the larynx It is just about 7 centimeters long in the case of the women, but in the case of the men is 8 centimeters. The roof of the mouth is considered as a major speech organ. It is divided into 3 parts. The lips also play an important role in the master of articulation. They can be pressed together or brought into contact with the teeth. The consonant sounds which are articulated by touching two lips each other are called bilabial. For example, M, B, B. They both are bilabial. Another important thing about the lips is that they can take a different shapes in position. Therefore, lips rounding is considered as a major criterion for describing vowel sounds. The lip may have to follow one's position. One of them is rounded. When we pronounce a vowel, our lip can be rounded. Another one is spread. The lip can be spread in this position. The lips are moved away from each other. For example, when you smile, you can see that the lips are isn't together. Another part of vocal organs are the teeth. The teeth are also very much helpful in producing various speech sounds. The sounds we are made with the tongue, touching the teeth, are called dental sounds. The tongue is divided into 4 parts. They are the lips, the blade, the front, and the back. The tip, it is the strength end of the tongue. The blade lies opposition to the alveolar ridge. The front is lies opposite to the hard palate. The back it lies opposite to the soft palate or velum. And the tongue is responsible for the production of many specific sounds in it, can move very fast to different places, and is also capable of assuming different shapes. The shape and the position of the tongue are especially crucial for the production of vowel sounds.